Oh, I'm gonna twin turbo this, take it to the track, do YouTube videos like I promised, but I never get it done. We're not doing YouTube, bro. I'm never coming back. Let's go. Power roof goes down with Gatling guns, bro. Just picking up bitches in this thing. Look at this thing, bro. Look at this thing. It's a steal. It's a deal.
Greetings to all my homeless niggas. We welcome you to another exclusive episode of Wicked Magician. And yes, let's make YouTube great again. Let's build the wall, let's protect Zherka, let's subscribe, and let's enjoy this wonderful video. May God continue to bless you, my nigga.
Everything I say right now is going to sound like the dumbest shit you've ever heard, but being the man is more important than being there for your family. Because when your family's in trouble, they're never going to tell you because you're a loser. If you're the man, they will tell you when they're in trouble. It's not something you're going to sense, bro. That's why it's so dangerous not to be a badass in life. If you don't get your shit together, then 10 years can go by and your mother could have been sick and she didn't tell you. Because why would she tell you? You got your own problems, you loser. But if you're the man, you'll immediately know how to stop it. Or you'll immediately be told before it's... You understand what I'm saying? That nobody trusts weakness, not even your parents. That's why it's so important to show your parents selfish. It's so important. When parents say my son is selfish, what they're really saying is, I never worry about him again. Because he's left the nest. He's right. But if you don't show this hyper level of independence, your parents age faster. And they don't even tell you they're aging faster. They don't tell you about their medical issues or any of that. So if you don't become the man, very, 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 very rich man, you don't get the whole truth of your wife, mother, father. You're only living in half-truths, the truths they think you can handle. So that's the scariest part of not becoming. The scariest part of not becoming is, holy shit, I don't get the absolute truth. And when you do get the absolute truth and it's too late, you sit in your room and go, they didn't think I could do anything about it, so they never told me. They didn't want to bother me. And really, what is that saying? What is that saying? Yeah, independence is number one. You have to become the man if you want the whole truth in life. If you want to wait for problems to happen to you, things are just happening to you, things don't happen to the man, right? Because he's actively doing things against what the external's doing, right? But yeah. So you don't become, like a lot of you guys think that I'll just be there for my family as I'm becoming the man. Sure, yeah, you can do that, but are you sure you're going at your best pace doing that? And the answer is no. The answer is just no. It's just any level of comfort you're in is going to harm you long term. It's just how things work. Yo, check this out. Check this out, bro. Check this out. God is good.